Vibes Kartel, suck out him girl, see them tongue, fi hide a particular content because the gal them say Vibes Kartel buy out the weave them out of the hair store them. And that me I go talk about because me say the world boss put in weave in my head. No. Them thing they not go on to Jamaica and me not promote it. You all gone tea. Greetings and salutations. Yeah, to all Jamaica worldwide. Me I talk about big man and little boy. This Rastafari soldier, them boy ya take me word for it. Oh, yeah, we are going to be talking about vibes start well and end bad. Because I and I man are looking at the social media and the girl them mad. Because Addy, I buy out the weave them out of the hair store. You all gone tea, me not gonna say no more. Me I gonna show you what me I talk about. And me want you to tell me if you not think this is right. I know the first time, and I'm sure it's not going to be the second time. Look pan black a cartel. You all gone tea. Here he is, a licky back, because I'm telling you, see them, on a know what European culture with the bowing is. Seem have her in a necktie. You all gone tea. We call that a choker. Me own you. You're mines. But me going back to the gal them because black a cartel don't bleach out. That's feminine. Now him have weave in him head and not the first time. Imagine XY chromosome. What is on the Gaza fans' mind? We not go take that here at Jamaica. Me I show you what me I talk about. Because it appears a black a cartel go to jail and think say there are certain things that the male and the female are supposed to do. Look pan this ya boy ya. How the boy have out. Hold on.
Watch me do that.
Me I go pause it for a second because me no want to hear the tune where I play upon it because again, families and friends, them boy we copyright and rare wrong. But what I'm talking about, families and friends, look on the man head. Come on, a man. Any boy we a put tattoo upon neck, make me a fret. Any boy we bleach, him cannot teach. Not me. You all gone tea, man melanin. You all gone tea. See him have to stop bleach, cause him face swell up and him look like a bullfrog. Because the mercury a kill him. You all gone tea. Me not go and show. Me not spend not even a shilling. Me want to know if you look pan black a cartel. What him a do? Families and friends, uno tell me what is going on. Is this Jamaica? Or is the boy swimming in the sea? Uno talk to me. Is he swimming in the sea? First of all, the boy look too much like Bright Light Picnic. Look pan the massacre. Look pan the dopey. I am telling her, you see me, man a Rasta man. The reason why I'm in a wrap up me here today is to show you bad man don't stray. Rasta man don't stray. See there? I'm me real natty. Me gatti. Them boy I move like say them me ride all batty. Listen to me, Addy. You not teach it to them no more. Look when the boy come out of jail and I do. The boy forward from jail and I put in girl here in him head. Me not go round it. You are going to me not go round it. Look pan the boy. Look pan black a cartel. Because him can't say white no more. You know. Because the mercury are killing rotted. You are running pan what? A Rasta man style you say you're running pan. A Ras you a Ras. A Ras this boy a Ras. This big back, broad back, fag face boy. And what am I do? People, me want to know if you understand. Vibe start well, ending bad. The boy a wibble. The boy fishy. The boy Scaly. The boy gonna see. Oh no, don't see it. The boy a put in weave. Oh my God, my baby mother and my daughter, them call me and say the hair store out a weave. Cause Vibes Kartel buy it out. A Jamaican man. The Jamaican dancehall superstar. A Wibbly, me told you no. If this boy never go to jail, him would turn the Jamaican diddly. Cause me see the boy, me hear the boy over there. A beat man, a beat Popcorn, and a beat Black Rhino, and a beat Da Vinci, and say big bad man I don't ya. Can't talk about a addy and in daddy. A one father me have. Listen, and the one where bend up me mother and make she breed. Don't rump with Rasta man because it appears that this boy a plant a different seed. You heard what I'm saying? Do you hear me? See the frog face, frog back, frog neck boy there. Look there. A peer extension vibe start well put in my head. A gal think that Jamaica, a wedding ratty that go around here. Man with tattoo pan neck, tattoo pan face, and now the boy forward out of jail. We're in there with pay boy for 13 years and a put in weave. Imagine this. Imagine this. Now looking at my TV, looking at my social media screen, that is Vibe Start Well. I put in long here with fake. Boy, you are real bad. Rasta man now ramp, Rasta man now play. Rasta man real. Come see how some boy you know. I come for me internet channel. I come ask me if I weave. You take man for Steve. You really take man for Steve. Eh? You take man for Steve. I'm a real natty. Rasta man gatti. Them boy they way a sniff. White gal body. Imagine. Vibe Start Well. You're ending bad. Me I tell you straight up. You're ending bad. Me can't believe them man you rotted. Bad man no wear no weave. Rude boy now go bleach and try to attack Steve. You see it? The nature of law. Me see you forward on me internet, on the social media, looking like a bright light sun. Jaja swell up your face from the mercury. Look pa you. The whole of Jamaica is criminal mind. And this ya boy ya fishy. And that the European them bring in Barack Hussein. Obama nation fi come teach we. And here we go. The celebrity, Jamaica's #1 dancehall artist, a put in weave. The boy ya fishy. The boy ya scaly. The boy ya swimming. Vibes Sprat is out of the closet and me not take that back. Me not inna it. Me not inna it. From a boy a put in weave, me classify that as fish. Him scaly, him gonna see, him not gonna beach. That boy a wrong, you are gonna see. Back a Kartel turn white, now the boy turn black, now the boy turn fish, now the boy turn what? The boy a put in weave and a go on like a lax. That boy a swimming. Jamaica. That boy a bring you out on the beach. No, him bring you deep sea. Imagine this. This is what them bring to we. This is what they let out this fail fool out of jail for. At least the doctor tell him stop the bleaching. Because of the bleaching you was teaching and Jaja start beating. The boy a put in weave. Then girl are wicked enough. Imagine the girl them a fish out the boy right in front of we face. Pan the social media. Then them boy a fool. The boy no have no hairline. The boy look like him all perm him hair before him put in the weave. Imagine this. Me can't believe this. The boy have a white girl. When me know she a Bowers. And the boy run come pa internet a suck out tongue and a kiss off lips. Look pan this. Black cartel turn white. Man cartel turn fish. Imagine this. Imagine white girl a kiss. Me know pan her tongue. A whole heap of sperm a run. Imagine the boy a licky back. We know Jamaica no do this. And even if you do this, you keep it private. Imagine the boy have her in a necktie. I suck out some other boy thing off of her tongue. Imagine Jamaica done. The girl them a complain say Kartel come buy out the weave at the hair shop. Imagine that. The boy them a put in weave. Jamaica, me no want see no do this blouse and skirt. You are gonna see man nothing put in fake hair. Man nothing bleach off skin. Man nothing put in tongue ring. You are gonna see. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen. Me a burn out Gaza like Israel. I deal with it right now. Me a burn you. Burning you. Burning you. The boy come out of jail after they with man for 13 years and gonna put in long weave in here. Imagine that. Jamaica gone. And number one artist this. Jamaica gone. Vibes start well, ending bad. The boy can't swim out. The boy can't swim out. The boy a go like a dolphin. A big whale. You are gonna see this ya one ya cartel fail. This ya one ya fail. Me can't believe me eye. A bounty said certain guy and certain guy and certain guy. A guy me rotted after the boy go take bleaching cream and rub it on and chat about cake soap. See it ya now, the weave them sell off. Man a wear weave in a Jamaica to rotted and say my bad man. Me can't believe this. A long time me telling us say Jamaicans are swimming now. A long time me telling us say oh no a swim with them tight pants there. From your put tattoo on your neck. Why? What you put it on your neck for? Who you want to look on your neck? You better run and then on your face. Imagine this, the boy is a man with waist. Imagine this, the boy having weave in her head. People go look here, go look here, go look here. And vibe start well, I end man to bum. Lord! People, you can't tell me nothing. Them boy are gone. And he might bring on with him. He might bring on with him. He might bring on with him. Oh, if the ticket did free. If the ticket did free, me then ask for a return. Vibes start well. See, Rasta man, I deal with anything. More life and more joy. You are guarantee and you must text Rastafari. You are guarantee you must text say take 1 day or 2 years or 3 years for do this. The boy, Uncle girl cheating like that, you know. The boy, look on the boy. The boy look like a bright light. Him not have no hairline. And now the boy have long hair. The girl them are put in weave in a cartel head to rotted. You can't come back from this. You don't know bad man. Bad man not put no weave in a hair, boy. You idiot. Bad man don't bleach. You fool. You have your look ticket again them. But remember this. The government save you rotted. Cause this is Jamaica P. Diddy. Vibes Cartel. Jamaica's P. Diddy. And me are telling you right now. One them, tell all of them. The boy is swimming like a fish. I eel this. And Jamaica do not hide it. I eel this. Big up yourself, Sir P. And more life and more joy. Leave your comment on that one and make me know if you think the boy Vibes Cartel is swimming in the sea.
Yes.
Them boy are not.
Big up Deep Roots TV every time. Blessings, Rasta Soji, I already know. Bless up.
A jail this a boy a come from. Me see this a picture from long time. We know the boy did swimming. The boy go to jail, go hang out with them boyfriend them and forward. Now when I try bow up all of Jamaica, you mad. More fire pan a boy we a swim a sea. A big eel, a big whale. Vibes Cartel a put in wave that the style they fail. More fire, more fire, more fire, more fire. Fire,